Premiere Pro 2024 has come with some amazing update. Today we'll explore 5 of those fantastic updates. So let's get started with the timeline. Number 1, Autotech. First update we'll learn about is called Autotech. This update automatically categorizes each sound effect separately. For example, dialogue will be placed in the dialogue section, background in the background layers, and SFX in the SFX section. If we select all sound together and apply the Autotech, you can see each sound has been placed in its respective layers. For instance, if we select the dialogue, it will be in the dialogue section. The same goes the background music and SFX. Number 2, Enhance Speech. Our second update is called Enhance Speech, which removes noise and echo from our dialogue, making your voice more attractive. We'll select the dialogue layer, then go to Essential Sounds, Enhance Speech. From there, we'll turn on the Enhance option. It will take some time to analyze. Once enhanced, if we play it now, you will notice the difference in the sound quality between the video layers. Now, when we play the video, you will see a beautiful transition. To make the transition, hold for a moment and add a still keyframe where the value stays the same. Move a little further in the timeline and press Alt to copy that keyframe. Since the middle two keyframes share the same value. Number 3, Remix Tool. Next, we learn about the Remix Tool, which smoothly aligns the background music with dialogue. Previously, we had to manually cut and adjust the background music to fixed, but with this update, it automatically matches the background music with the dialogue. We start by selecting the background music, then go to the Remix tool and match the background music to the dialogue layers. It will automatically analyze and adjust the background music to fixed properly. Number 4, Text Transcription. The next update is Text Transcription, which allows us to edit faster. It's convert the dialogue into a simple line, and you can arrange it however you want. Then create caption from there. Look, automatically subtitles have appeared. I'll enlarge the subtitle and you can study it as you prefer. You can also delete any caption by selecting and cutting it, and it will automatically be removed from the timeline. If I want to move a cut part to another section, I just paste it there and the previous footage reappears. You can search for a specific word by going to the search option. For example, I search for effect and all instances of the word effects appear below, making it easy to select and delete any of them. If you want to remove silent parts, select pause. You will see 3 dots representing silent section. If you delete them, the empty parts will be removed, automatically filling the gap. It's a fantastic features. You can delete all short silent parts at once from the entire video and remove any specific word from the caption. Simply search for dot and all instance of the word will appear. Go to replace and whatever you write will replace the selecting text. Since I don't want to keep any dots, I don't write anything. I'll click replace all and all dots will be gone. Similarly, I can delete another text like commas using the same method. Number 5, Automatically Sequence Creation for social platform. Lastly, we'll get another fantastic feature. We can now automatically create video sequence for Facebook, TikTok, YouTube or Instagram. It's not just the sequence but also position and frame that are automatically adjusted. We'll go to sequence, then to auto reframe sequence, where you can see various sequence options. Choose the one you need. It will take some time to analyze, and once it's done, the position will be automatically adjusted, or you can set it manually if needed. Here you can see the position has been automatically adjusted, which is great. I am going to create another sequence, this time for TikTok Reels. The analyze is complete and the position is perfectly set for our footage. This feature will make your editing experience much faster and easier. Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 amazing updates will help you create more professional work. For more details, click out our previous videos. Thanks for staying with us.